Well, Dad wouldn't know then.
Give it to Mama. Get them all. You gonna take that one to Mama? Take that one to Mama. What is it? A dead mouse? She was looking for the one she gave you. Shoes? You got Grandma's shoes?
Yeah. These little things I want to do. She's like, I'm going to throw these here so that you can't get them and run after me.
Who wants hers off? You can take them off. You can take them off here in the park. Yep. Do you need help?
Here.